Guys, let's just unpack nazi izindaba aziningi guys, ngizobele nje ngiyimixe zonke in one. Angithi nizwile isitori saKing Msizulu's wife moving out of their homestead. Wahamba usistazi, apparently, allegedly, she had just had another baby, was 2. Uvele wamuvela in some apartment like in Durban, basically, which is like far I guess, mhlawumbe from indle yabo enye yobukhosi and stuff like that. Royal House, obviously. So umuve out usisters uKwintokozo kaMayisela Zulu. Kusho uZimoja, guys, please don't be bashing me and be like, Sisi, you are the one that said it. No, I didn't. So the king is spending a lot of time with the third wife. That's the reason he feel neglected to sisters. I've always said, because yo, feel be strong. I've always said you have to be strong. Yabona nje mangase ngikubreakele down uzongeke siqede manje. So uNomzamo ke was also seen with the king at the kumhlanga, the reed dance kwaNongoma, but it is also said that uKwintokozo had just had umntwana, so that's the reason. So apparently uSistazi uthi yena she feels iQueen Imbokodo, the queen, ufila neglected by the king, uKing Msizulu ka Zulu. Ufila ukuthi akamnaki nje ngeke azakwazi yena naye ufuna ukunakwa, but nje he's been busy with the third wife. You know what's crazy though? The second wife, they never say much about her, like when like if you've seen it somewhere. I mean, that's just my thing. So hey, kuningi guys. So even wahamba naye futhi kaDukuza on Shaka's Day. Shaka's Day guys, you know how it is. Thina sikhule kunetha njalo makuShaka's Day. Vele kunethe like we've never seen. It's always been a trend. Phela kwakuShaka's Day guys, 24. So kwaba Heritage Day manje. So they still continuing it like that, especially in KZN. They'll have like smaller, not futhi small, big. And nice events. So they had another one kaDukuza. Obehamba futhi noSisters uNomzamo, uQueen Nomzamo. Bemshiyile lo sisters lo omunye. So she was like, hayi mina ngeke guys abasanginaki, like I can't. So she moved in some apartment. Ngathi komhlanga somewhere in KZN, obviously, I mean, you know. So she's had enough, sort of. We're hoping ukuthi they do reconcile uSisters abuyele ekwakhe angaloke efila ukuthi uba neglect. Ukuyibona leyo nto le, it doesn't look right. It's not nice, you know. Ngoba bathi manje uKing Msizulu kaZulu is in love, is head over heels in love with uQueen Nomzamo. Yeah, kusho njalo guys, kusho ngomina. Yeah, so I was just like, hey guys, inzima life, inzima, isithembu sinzima. Yabo isithembu, you have to be strong. Yabo mhlambe singconywana lesi sika mina ngize ngithi mhlambe sika Musamsele usingconywana because uyabona ukuthi every like the whole week, every day maybe uyakulo unkosikazi nalo uyakulo munye unkosikazi be Tuesday, Wednesday kanjalo bashintshana. And what happens is that when he goes to events, he goes with them most of the time. So my thing is that they don't feel neglected, liking up. So guys, like I'm saying, you have to be strong. You have to be strong. Nje mongekho strong ekuzulungi. It's the same as here on social media. On social media, if you're not strong, bazokuthutha mfana basidonse baqhodule phansi ngemophu ube all sorts of things bakuyise ku-Twitter bakuyise ku-X bakwenza all sorts of things. Mawungebe ungekho strong, hayi shame khohlwa. But uma usashame ngiyangifeel ukuthi uyazama ukuba Twitter the same, ngoyabona. So imizi ayifani guys, mina ngiye ngisho njalo ukuthi imizi they will never be the same, you know. And then ke uPrince Thulasizwe Buthelezi ke wathaseke indaba ezingasifuni that have nothing to do with us. See, this is not a public thing to be discussed by us, obviously, and it's out there. But angazi ukuthi fanele senze njani sesiyitholile mos, you understand. So my thing ngiqeda ngokuthi le ndaba le mawusesithenjini qina fanele ukuthi uqine mawusesithenjini, otherwise ngaloku intenga uzokwazi sisters befanele ahlale and soldier on after ebenengane ancelisa ingane jime abe muhle uMsizulu ambone futhi. Because as futhi masanda ukuthola ingane, that's another one. I'm just like, oh kunzima for her. So sidlule lapho guys, siye futhi le mid-rand saga uSisters lo that's actually passed on lapha eMidrand into Thanazi side lesa story asekho nice. Her name was Unaliruna. Unalinna, I think. Yeah, I think that was the name. Bathi bamthole engasekho emhlabeni uSisters ngathi wayezama ukuphuma endlini. Say although manje akhona abanye abamblamayo ku-ex ukuthi ubezama ukuyibulala, she had problems with i-boyfriend, but luckily guys ingane ibingekho-ke la endlini, ngathi siyancane and ngathi the child was a month old. Abo nje lesi story sivele nje sangiqeda amandla, like I couldn't even stand up after ngisizwile. I was just like, oh hi guys, it's a lot, there's a lot going on. I mean, that's just my thing in life in general. There's a lot going on. I'm just like, oh, food for the past 2 weeks with this thing, futhi ama-restaurants, abantu bangaphandle ngathini beba ney'nkinga where they work, when it went on social media, the other young lady, things took another direction. Let's spare. Yesterday, 60 people were actually bathathiwe amaphoyisa into a van abangaphandle angibona abala South Africa bathathwa kwathiwa there's only 4 South Africans who were working there baboshwa, and then go Mall of Africa, people have not been working because some days he manages, today in case, because chances are these people bazos, and then they won't even go there. They'll go to Cremor, go to Tasha's, or go to Doppio Zero for that day. And then because I was speaking to someone who works for Doppio Zero, I was like, well, why didn't you go to work? When I met up with her, she was like, but sesingezi today, because what if, we understand, mhlambe today bazos abantu. So yabona ukuthi iba kanjani. It's just not nice anymore. Like you get frustrated. Abanye abantu bablame GNU. Like kuningi guys, kuningi, and then ziningi nezitori ezenzakalayo. Bese kuba futhi esinye istory esenzakale ngapha kuLimpopo. uSisters was 23, ngathi ube ne-boyfriend, behlala together, and then washiswa uSisters about a week ago. Batholakale nengane sebeshisiwe, futhi bashiswa ile boyfriend abafaka izinto, ababeka izinto phezulu bese the bodies were decomposing. Hey guys, ilalela, there's a lot going on. There is a lot actually going on. And then ngapha futhi bese kuba story futhi sis2. This is the second one. uSisters, she's 21. Baqeda ukumbamba e-airport namhlanje phela it's the 29th today of September. Airport today bamthathela uSisters ube nama foreign things eziseswini sakhe. Shoot is those bullets zeyidakamizwa iyobisi inside the stomach. Bahamba mamisa esibhedlela ke naye njengalo munye wa last week. She was also coming from the same place in Brazil, Sao Paulo. She's coming from there. Yo, I was just like, oh guys, it's a lot. You don't know guys, ngo-2024 ukuthi ene uzoboshwa. Wazi ukuthi uzoboshwa uma uphethele lezi zinto bangaka abantu beboshwa ko-Thailand kuphi. Hayi guys, imali sayifuna but hayi ngalo hlobo. Can we just stop now? So uboshiwe uSisters kanjalo usenje efika vele bese bemlindile. It didn't end well lapha at the airport. Waboshwa kanjalo kuSisters ke kwaphela kanjalo ngaye. At 21 guys. Yo, it's hard shame. Ngoba ama-foreign objects enakazangaza izwe indaba kamngane wakhe lo munye last week, lo na 30 la bambopha futhi naye agcina ese-end up e-hospital ukuthi akwazi bamfaka ama-laxatives ukuthi akukhiphe lento eseswini. Hayi guys, and lezi zinto ngathi ziboshwa ngabande. Boshwa ngejazi lomkhwenyana. I'm just like, honestly guys, like we want this life. So ziningi guys izitori ngeke ngikwazi ukuyiqeda today. Bese kuzoba unotha. Niyamazi ukuthi he talks too much. It's got a big mouth. Kale kwathiwa udlwengule uSisters lo besebenza kwi Rhythm City. uSisters uthe umdlwengulile. Ngeke ngize ngikwazi ukulisho leli igama ngoba uyamazi ukuthi unjani ngithi YouTube. So akufanele xabane no YouTube ngoba kumanje sisalungisa indaba zethu. So uthi umdlwengulile kunotha ke wanyenza ke sakhe statement ukuthi lo muntu lo angaze ngemdlwengula. Inini case lamuntu mangambuka ungazi ukuthi umuntu oke wahlanya. Hey, esasemncane. Guys, who even says that? Like, do you know them when they were young? Dobusuthi umuntu wake wahlanya. So ngiphelele lapho guys because izingqaphu lezi izitori. So ziningi nami I just feel ukuthi beziningi iy'tori. Kuningi, yeah, guys, that's going on. Let's just take care of ourselves, guys, and love ourselves and love people around us. This is just crazy, guys. There's a lot happening, but it's also right with time. Ngiyabonga, guys, for your support. Thank you so much. I appreciate you too. In Tanda over.